And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I think I've straightened out my problems with this little Android tablet. And I'm recording this because later on I'm going to take this and something else out into the shop and try this for recording a video in the shop. Anyway, for now, goodbye. Hey gang, Poppy here. As you can see, ow! Oh, my knee, it hurts. As you can see, we are in the shop. And I'm doing something a little bit different now because A, the sun is shining, and I usually come out here at night. And I'm testing this camera. I just got it, and I think I got it working exactly the way I want it. So I'm going to do a little bit of noodling BS around here. First I'm going to cut open. This was the Misty Mate. I want to know what's inside. Always be prepared for Ew! I was going to run coolant through that for my machine. Ew! Oh. Well, I guess that's why the Misty Mate was at a yard sale for $1. Yeah, $1. So, let's bring us around here. And you will see it here. I know this for a fact. Now, oh, that is much better. Oh! Oh, my knee is killing me. Okay, now. You remember this. I posted pictures of me machining this out so that it would go on here. A successful operation. I had to bore this out So it would fit a standard Fordham compatible flex shaft attachment. All flex shafts want to be Fordham, unless they are Fordham. This is a Rio Flex from Rio Grande. I didn't need the extra torque of that right angle drive on the Fordham motor. So I got that. Now I was talking about, where are you? Where are you hiding? Or, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that's right. I keep it down here, don't I? No. Ah! Okay, so trying to remember where I keep that hammer handpiece. Next drawer? No. Next drawer? No. Here we are in drawer number 8 with my Techno X, which fits both my flex shafts of the Fordham pattern. And this is that hammer handpiece I told you I got. This was an attempt at a engraving point. It didn't want to seem to stay put all that much. Okay, as you see, variable speed and how hard it hits is controlled by unscrewing this to make it softer, or grunking down on it if you want to really hammer on a rivet. Last time I used it, I was actually riveting, but mostly I used it for setting bezels on opal rings, necklaces, that kind of stuff. And I would crank this way out. So it just barely tapping it. You know, a little love tap. Okay. I forget what I made this for. It's for one of my tools here in the shop. Here it is. Now when I got this hammer handpiece from Alpha Supply, I forget whether it's Seattle or Bremerton, but they are in Washington State, unless they've folded their tent. Okay. That is your basic flat point. That's the one that came with this when I bought it. Now there were more available. I didn't buy any of them because this is the one. This one here was the one I wanted. Okay. What else to talk about? Well, Tell you what. Let's bring. Hi, I'm back. I don't know what happened. You got cut off. Did you see me using this and how good it fits on here? This is another genuine Fordham handpiece. Here's my Techno X, and this is a right angle hammer handpiece. You see, that's where the flex shaft goes in. I'm going to stop this right now and check the last video and see just how much you missed and what happened. I want to know. Hi gang, more noodling here. When I was boring out that flex shaft connector, I was using this tool. And it's got the teeny tiniest little rounding at the very, very tip. Yeah. I'm going to touch her up here. And that's all that top rake needed. That was it. Okay. Now you see, okay, now go back to handheld. Since this is working pretty. Oh, come on, damn you. Okay. Now, as you saw, I touched up those 3 rakes. The front rake, side rake, and the top rake. Now, as you can see, that is a chip breaker ground in that tool. This tool started off, believe it or not, that's Armstrong high speed, 2377. Anyway, it started off as a straight turning chip breaker. Then I needed to modify it so that I could use it as a boring bar. And 4 boring jobs later, it is pretty much a dedicated boring bar. This is really getting to me. Anyway, I went and I checked the videos recorded in this thing that you're looking out of. And that's better there. I do believe this camera will work for recording out here in the shop. It beats having to drag my compact and the webcam and the Marble Man. It's a trackball, wireless trackball, and of course the power supply. Then there's my beverage and, you know, all the other happy horse shit I have to drag out here just to get anything done. But if all I have to drag out here is this little itty bitty Android tablet, I'm going to go and, I mean, yeah, it's a little bit washed out in the brightness, but hey, I'm going to call this a success. My wife bought this tablet to give to Christy because she killed her last Android tablet. It was a 10-inch. She somehow managed to kill it. She kills tablets and cell phones like. This one was listed at eBay as a 10.1 inch. No. It's not even 9 inches corner to corner outside the case. But it was only like 40-something bucks, and she couldn't get her money back. And, well, hey, babe, you gonna use it? No, it's a piece of shit. Christy, I'm a piece of shit. I said, can I have it? You gonna take it apart on Poppy's workshop? I do that sometimes. I take shit apart. I learned that from AVE. Put it on the fixing bench and fix it till it's fucked. I'm enjoying this too much. Okay, now, if you see down in here where my finger is pointing, where the headstock spindle and the 3-jaw chuck meet up, this is the one chuck I have. I've got two shearline chucks, a 3-jaw and a 4-jaw. They don't have this protrusion over here coming off the back of the chuck enough so that I can make my anti-unscrew collar for all 3 chucks, and then a faceplate. But coming up in the lathe projects, I'm going to make the anti-rotation collar for here to make it worthwhile for me to do the reversible motor conversion. I got a chop wire and wire in a switch and curse 7 different false deities, you know. Anyway, I am going to stop this for now, and I'm going to go into the house and process video and post it. Good night from California. This has been Poppy's Workshop. So how's this for brightness and balance and all of that? This is the see what you look like on camera setting for this. Now I'm gonna stop and go to the see what your rest of the world looks like setting. Okay, as you saw, that was that side. Now, how do I look now? There's with added sunlight on one half the face. There's the back down. There's YouTube. Well, that's that.